Every single yoga pose begins with the face because it's the localized center of our sensory integration and primary senses, and it's in close proximity to the brain. So first we must bring our awareness here, and then more acutely to the breath. Release your facial muscles. Consciously relax and rest the forehead, making it completely smooth, including the area in between the eyebrows. Let the breath be natural. Move to the cheeks as you continue to release any tension in the face, and now pay close attention to your jaw. We're going to release the jaw muscles by slightly parting the teeth. Allow the tip of your tongue to rest comfortably behind the two front teeth. This should not feel effortful, so take a moment to adjust to your comfort. Keep breathing naturally through the nose. The upper surface of your tongue will now relax naturally, making contact with the roof of your mouth. If this is your first time practicing correct tongue posture, it might take several times doing this for you to get used to it, but it'll become like second nature. Continue breathing. So this is the correct tongue posture for breathing during any yoga practice, including seated meditation. In fact, my earliest yoga teacher simply gave this direction. Position your tongue like this and breathe through your nose from now until you drop, meaning during all hours and for life. So if this is the only thing you learn and take away from this video, start practicing this correct tongue posture for breathing, nasal breathing, because it will dramatically improve your breathing and therefore your overall health and quality of life. Today we're practicing hero pose. First, come to a kneeling position on your mat, bringing your knees together while keeping your feet slightly wider than your hips. Ensure the tops of your feet are resting flat comfortably on the floor. If your behind can't reach the floor comfortably, elevate your hips using a foam block or rolled up towel. Continue breathing at your own pace, in and out through the nose. Your knees should be pointing straight forward rather than splayed wider than the hips. Sit with a straight spine and breathe, in and out through the nose at your comfortable pace. Rest your hands on your thighs or on your lap. Broaden the collarbones, lift your chest while relaxing your shoulders. Core is strong. Imagine that a string is connected to your belly button, being pulled from behind you. Tight core. Resting your hands comfortably on your lap or on your thighs. Keep the chest broad, relax the shoulders. Beginners can hold this pose for 30 seconds, up to 1 minute, taking deep, slow, and steady breaths, focusing on the posture and breath to start. When you're ready to exit the pose, simply lean forward and gently press your weight into your hands, lifting the hips up to stand. If you choose, you can linger here for a few minutes, just connecting with your breath and checking in. That's what I'm going to do. Keep breathing. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and thanks for watching.